Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In this video, I am going to show you how to do your morning skincare routine, and this is especially for beginners or if you're on the go and you don't have time to do so many steps. So these are the most important skincare steps you need to know. So the first step is cleanse. You cleanse your skin. I have cleansed my skin. So what you want to do is you want to use a cleanser that is suitable for your skin type. If you have oily skin, acne prone skin, opt for foaming cleansers or cleansers that target your skin concerns. If you have dry skin, opt for creamy non-foaming cleansers. If you have sensitive skin, opt for cleansers that have no fragrance. So after cleansing your skin, the second step is to moisturize your skin. Always go for the right moisturizer for your skin type. As usual, if you have oily skin, go for lightweight moisturizers. If you have dry skin, go for rich moisturizers that are rich in ceramides. Then if you have problematic skin, say wrinkles, fine lines or acne, then you go for moisturizers that target the skin concerns. So I'm just moisturizing my face, and this is how you want to do it. Be very gentle, take your time, moisturize your entire face, not forgetting your neck as well. Whatever you do to your face, extend that towards your neck. And so for the third and final step, you protect your skin. What do I mean by that? You want to go in with a broad spectrum SPF, minimum of 30. So you want to take a generous amount and apply this all over your face, all including your neck, your ears, and the exposed part. So if your outfit is, low, is deep, then you extend it towards your chest. And if it's summertime where you have, maybe you're wearing a short sleeve or those fancy cute clothes, ensure you cover all the exposed areas. What I mean by that is that the parts of your skin that is exposed. And if you happen to spend time outside in the sun, ensure you reapply your SPF every 2 hours for that added protection. And even on cloudy days, ensure you wear your SPF. And so that's it, easy breezy. This is how to do a very simple skincare routine. Honestly, these are the most important steps in your skincare routine. If you have other products such as your treatments, your serums and all that, I'll be sure to link a video showing you how to use these products, basically how to incorporate these products in your skincare routine. And so with all that being said, I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.